Hello and welcome to this episode of Daiji Global Panvision. I'm Amanda here.
Today's telecast is sponsored by
UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.
First, the top story. Maan Soban team felicitated at a grand civic reception in Mangalore. News headline from the Middle East. Naveen D. Padil's laugh riot Anchilattu Inchilattu draws huge crowd in Muscat. Here's what we have in our local news. Triple joy for a Muslim couple. Woman from Kerala gives birth to triplets at Fadamulla. Lokayukta Santosh Hegde advises younger generation to fight against maladministration. And in entertainment bash, we have songs by Udpi Music Group from Konkani Nirantari and a dance from Geetotsava 2008. Now the news in detail. Through Maan Soban, Eric Ozerio, the president of Konkani Sahitya Academy, has brought out a revolution in the world of Konkani. By successfully organizing Konkani Nirantari 40-hour singing marathon, Maan Soban got a feather in its cap. Office bearers of Maan Soban were on the height of ecstasy and got furthermore encouragement from the people of Mangalore, who felicitated them by organizing a civic reception on Friday. It was a day to remember for the members of Maan Soban team who made the Konkani flag fly high by creating history by snatching Guinness from Brazil just a month back. The entire Maan Soban team was at Town Hall on Friday, February 29th and was happy to see that the people of Mangalore had recognized their effort and hard work in organizing Konkani Nirantari. Mangaloreans crossing the barriers of language, parties and religion joined hands together and organized a civic reception for the office bearers of Maan Soban. The grand traditional welcome was accorded to Maan Soban troupe for their marvelous entry in the Guinness Book of World Records. Professor B.K. Chandrasekhar, Speaker of Legislative Council, after honouring Maan Soban Gurkar Eric Ozerio and President Luis J. Pinto, opined that by entering the Guinness Book of World Records, Maan Soban has rewritten the profile of Konkani language.
ಕಲಾಂಗಣವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಪೂರೈಸೋದು ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಿರುವ ಸಾಧನೆಯನ್ನು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಬರೀ ನೆಪ ಆಗಿತ್ತೇನೋ, ಅದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಸಾಧನೆ ಇದು ಅಂತ ನನಗನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಈ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ವಿಶ್ವಾಸ ಏನು ತುಂಬಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಇವತ್ತು ಕೊಂಕಣಿ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಸ್ವಾಭಿಮಾನವನ್ನು ನೀವು ಮೇಲೆ ತಂದಿದ್ದೀರಿ, ಅದು ಅತ್ಯಗತ್ಯ. ಅದು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ನೋ ಹೆಸಿಟೇಷನ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್. ನಾನು ಕೊಡಗಿಗೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ಇದೇ ಮಾತನಾಡಿದೆ.
Mayor Ganesh Hosabettu felicitated other members of Working Committee of Konkani Nirantari. Ronald Colasso, industrialist, presided over the program. P.K. Sucharita Shetty, President of Dakshina Kannada Zilla Panchayat, B. Ramanath Rai, former Minister, K. Abhaya Chandra Jain, former MLA of Moodbidri, U.T. Kadar, former MLA of Ullal, Ganesh Hosabettu, Mayor of Mangalore City Corporation, were present on the days. Congress leader Ivan D'Souza welcomed the gathering and presented a cheque of Rs 20,000 to Maan Soban on the occasion. The felicitation ceremony concluded with a musical program by the local artists.
संभालो मुझको ओ मेरे यारों, संभलना मुश्किल हो गया.
ಜೀನಿನ ಹೊಳೆಯೋ ಹಾಲಿನ ಮಳೆಯೋ ಸುಧೆಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸವಿ ನುಡಿಯೋ. ಜೀನಿನ ಹೊಳೆಯೋ ಹಾಲಿನ ಮಳೆಯೋ ಸುಧೆಯೋ ಕನ್ನಡ ಸವಿ ನುಡಿಯೋ. ವಾಡಿಯ ವೀಣೆಯ ಸ್ವರ ಮಾಧುರ್ಯವೋ ಸುಮಧುರ ಸುಂದರ ನುಡಿಯೋ.
पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ. तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ.
Naveen D. Padil is a gifted theatre actor. The actor, now in his late 30s, has been entertaining the Tulu theatre buffs for the last many years. After his breakup with Devdas Kapikat's Chaparka team, now Naveen D. Padil has formed his own drama troupe and has earned name and fame for his plays Ganguna Gammat and Anchilat Inchilat. After tasting success in his hometown Mangalore for his Tulu drama Anchilat Inchilat, Padil was in Muscat along with his troupe members on Thursday, February 28th. The play was well received by the Bangalorean expatriates in Muscat. Theatre enthusiasts residing in the Sultanate of Oman had a great feast of entertainment with the high-class Tulu drama Anchilat Inchilat presented by Tulu Nadu's premier theatre group Lakumi Troupe. This was their 210th show of the social entertaining drama presented by one of the well-known theatre personality of coastal Karnataka, Lion Kishore D. Shetty. Muscat's The Four Awesome of Tulu Nadu, P.B. Alake, S.K. Pujari, Ramesh Shettigar and Ashok Suvarna were the organizers of the show. All the theatre buffs present at Lee Grand Hall of Al Falaj Hotel at Ruvi enjoyed watching the comedy play. The real word of appreciation went to the simply brilliant direction by Kushal Darase Naveen D. Padil. It became the hallmark of the show and probably inspiration to all the artists to present or perform their roles as required. Naveen D. Padil's performance as the elder brother received appreciation from the audience. The performance by Suresh Manjeshwara as Blind Dharma, Sundar Rai as Monappa, Tulunada Ratna, Dinesh Attavara as Sushila was really praiseworthy. Maternity ward of Father Muller Medical Hospital receives one or the other little guest every day. But this Wednesday, the atmosphere at the ward was filled with cries of 3 tiny lookalikes. A Keralite woman had given birth to 3 baby boys. We have a report on this. In one of the rare instances, a woman gave birth to triplets at city's Father Muller Medical Hospital on Wednesday, February 27th. All the 3 baby boys and mother are reported to be healthy. The first 2 babies are said to be healthy, but the third baby, which weighs less than normal, has been kept under observation in the intensive care unit. The joyous couple, Kairunissa and Fazil, hail from Kasargod. Kairunissa got admitted in the hospital on February 27th and underwent cesarean on the same day. India is a young country with the majority of its population below 25 years, and despite of winning the most improved nation title in the BBC World Service poll conducted in the year 2007, India is still facing a number of problems like red tapeism, corruption and bribery. Youth who have the power to reshape the country can bring relief to the nation by solving these grave problems. Lokayukta Santosh Hegde, who was in Mangalore to inaugurate a one-day seminar organized by Political Science Teachers Association at St. Agnes College, to express the same opinion. Mangalore University Political Science Teachers Association jointly with St. Agnes College organized a one-day seminar on the role of civil society in good governance at the college conference hall on Friday, February 29th. Inaugurating the seminar, Lokayukta Justice Santosh Hegde observed that the present-day generation has failed in tackling the practice of maladministration either by negligence or by inactiveness.
We are feeling the pinch of lack of governance or maladministration, and if society doesn't play a role, proactive role, I think we got to be a little careful about the future of this country. The role of the society as such, I will say, would first start at home with the parents itself, who will have to bring up their children, teaching them certain values which are necessary to make a value-based society. So that is the first step in educating people, students, who will be the next generation citizens of this country and members of the society. For that, parents themselves should learn and adopt certain values which is acceptable to the society.
Mangalore University Political Science Teachers Association President Professor Nancy Rita D'Souza presided over the function. St. Agnes College Principal Sister Prem was also present. So that's all we had from our news desk. On the other side of the break, we have lots of entertainment programs for you, so stay tuned.
Trust across generations. UAE Exchange, world's trusted money transferer.